Jollibee, Macdo.
Macdo.
Oh, Macdo, okay. Yes, tell tatay, Macdo. Macdo daw ya, sa Macdo. Ay, they don't like Jollibee. Okay. Oh, why you like Macdo than better than Jollibee?
I like chicken nuggets.
Ah, okay. You like the chicken nuggets?
It's not a Happy Meal.
Oh, dili na to mag-Happy Meal. We're going to Macdo because the children here choose Macdo over Jollibee.
Jollibee's toy. I don't like. Burgers burgers or pizza?
What do you want? Happy Meal? Oh, what do you want to eat? Diba price lang? Price of fries and rice, that's what you like? We're going to the first Macdo in the town. Malran? Yes. When was that?
You are gonna burn some calories.
What? We're going to Macdo. Ganun ganan sa Macdo si Sarpi. Why do you like Macdo? Why don't play with your... Ah, you already have... Oh, I lost it again. Ah, going to Macdo. Mall here. Rising Small. And we're going to Macdo.
I understand.
Macdo, we're here na. Abot na sa Macdo ang mga tagalasang. Mga on sa may Macdo, kapon magkaukinhason niya. You see, it says full. Dito na lang ta sa counter mag-order. Yeah.
Tom and Jerry.
Ay, Tom and Jerry.
Ma, I was that ganiha. I was that ganiha.
Yes.
I like
Ito. What do you want? What? I'm going to order first. I'm going to order first.
Mama, I like the Happy Meal this.
Huh?
I like the Happy Meal this.
What do you like? Sige na.
I think the Happy Meal.
Naman mo ha. Ha?
Maybe ice cream. I
What? What, Ate, what's yours? What, Lori? McFlurry, yan sa manu.
Chicken nugget. And I like the McDonald's this.
What do you like?
McDonald's this.
McDonald dish. Which one?
I mean Happy Meal this.
Ah, you want Happy Meal.
Okay, one Happy Meal and then
So one Happy Meal and one nuggets.
we're going to get seated. Mama, you're gonna take a seat.
Ha?
You're gonna take a seat.
Nakaw sa seat. You go upstairs.
Yes? to see it. I want to see my Happy Meal.
Yes.
Wow,
Yes.
that was so bad. I can play it more.
Yes. You can.
Well, it's not in my Happy Meal. It's a surprise. You surprised me, right?
I'm surprised you with this.
What it looks like.
A bat.
No, step 1. Well, where's the...
Like that.
Where's
No, no.
How do we... Oh, here it is. Let's on to a pillow. Number 2. Pillows on top of it. Very... Step 3.
Yun. Are you having fun? You like it here? Yes. Si ate kay naulaw kay dako na. Where's ate? Where's ate? Ay, ate is hiding. Oh.
Celia, you want to pass this way? Pass this way.
The new mall behind McDonald's. What? I think so. Maybe. Pero wala daw na second floor. Yeah, and the color is green and pink and purple. There's one in Lupon, huh? Mm. Wow, wait. Wala namin na vlog yung food because we are hungry na. We forgot to vlog the food because we're hungry na. How about your toy, Serpy? Are you there? We're heading to the hotel.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Look at
There's one more toy. Yeah. We're heading home. Back to the office. You get an extra toy.
I got 2 toys.
Nagkakawa siya kay late yan.
Okay, late ang ilang service. You get extra toy because of the late service. We're here.